I'm Toby. Before coming here, I work in a warehouse. Just simple, like manual labour. Nothing special about it. But
Amazing. Can you bring the microphone a little bit closer to your mouth? There you
yeah,
go.
cool.
And tell me why you're getting into property.
Um, I don't know. I'd say see it as a way out. It's kind of, it's a good question. It's a good question. I come from a background that's not as, I haven't been given many opportunities, so it's more, if someone comes along, gives you a platform to make your own opportunity, do you know what I mean? You jump straight on it. So it's pretty much come up here, kind of just want to make a difference, be able to, I don't know, do well and share them kind of opportunities.
Smash it. And tell me, have you enjoyed the last week? Like, what have you learned a lot?
Yeah, it's been loads. It's like I was just saying to you, it's a lot to learn, but it's easy to digest. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, definitely say it was well worth it.
Amazing. So again, you just take a different.
Oh.
There we go. That's the one. That's the one. In terms of the Samuel and the team, how has it been working with them?
Yeah, super friendly. I like highly approachable. I mean, you need to know the smallest question. You're automatically gonna think that you're bothering them or something like that. They don't. They welcome you for it. And yeah, they're very helpful.
Amazing. And in terms of your next steps, what's your plans going forward from here?
Plans going forward. Kind of take what I've learned from here. Start deal selling. Then next step, join the academy. And yeah, start making big time, I guess.
Okay, mate. And final question is to anyone who's thinking about getting into property, what would you say?
It's like they say, you either risk money or you risk your time, and time is worth more than money. So it's a no-brainer.
And would you recommend they come down to the courses, or?
Yeah, 1,000,000%. Yeah, without a doubt. Especially the pound ones. What are you risking at that point?